Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by sanitizing your tools and clearing a small workspace. This prevents infection and keeps grip steady. Next, trim nails to your chosen length, cut straight across first, then gently round the corners to follow the natural nail shape. Once done, file in one direction only. This reduces splitting and creates a smooth edge. Make sure to remove dust with a soft brush so the next steps, cuticle attention and shaping, go faster and stick better. You next focus on cuticles and precise shaping to get a polished look. Soak fingers for 1 to 2 minutes in warm, soapy water to soften skin, pat dry. Then, gently push cuticles back with a wooden stick, only trim with a nipper if skin is loose or catching. After that, use a multi-step buffer, smooth ridges, refine surface, and finish with the shine side to reflect light. Make sure to work slowly. Even strokes prevent overthinning and help polish last longer. You finish by sealing the work and checking durability. Start with a base coat to protect the nail, then apply 2 thin color coats. Let each dry fully, and finish with a top coat to lock shine and prevent chips. Cure under lamp if using gel. Once done, clean edges with a small brush dipped in remover for crisp lines. If a polish chips later, buff the area lightly, remove dust, and reapply a thin top coat to blend and extend wear. This saves time and preserves the manicure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.